is my family.
His Holiness Sri Sugunendra Tirtha Swamiji is the 29th Pontiff of the Puttige Matha in Udupi. Puttige Matha is one of the Ashtamathas or 8 religious institutions formed by Sri Madhvacharya, the famous Guru and the founder of Dvaita school of Vedanta.
Swamiji adorned the saintly robes at a tender age of 12 when his Guru initiated him as successor to lead the Puttige Matha. His career as the Pontiff of Puttige Matha extends to 4 decades, and during this time Swamiji has established more than 35 religious institutions and places of worship to impart the relevance of the rich and ancient Vedic heritage to the modern generations.
At the age of 15, in 1976, he became the youngest head of a Matha in the history of Udupi Mathas to conduct a Paryaya. Paryaya is the rotational system prevalent in Udupi for managing Udupi temple amongst the Ashtamathas. Since then, Swamiji has successfully completed a hat-trick of Paryayas, the recent one completing in 2010.
In every Paryaya, Swamiji's vision and benevolence has led to the establishment of distinct landmarks within Udupi, like the Geeta Mandir, Indraprastha Guest House, Anna Brahma, a large facility to feed over 1500 pilgrims at once, and even the Navakanaka Ratha for Lord Sri Krishna, a golden chariot studded with precious gems. Since his first Paryaya, Swamiji has made numerous contributions in the field of religion and social service. Several landmark temples across the globe, Vedanta Vidyapithas, Vruddhashrama, have been blessed into existence by Swamiji.
Though hailing from a conservative background, Swamiji, in his progressive thinking and foresight, was much ahead of his times, firmly believing that spiritual upliftment will bring in economic prosperity. Swamiji is a visionary amongst his contemporaries. He boldly left the shores of India to take on the mantle of showing the right path of spirituality and salvation to the millions of overseas devotees and their children. He was undeterred by the opposition and criticisms thrown at him on his decision to leave India to foreign lands.
Although there are many temples in USA and Canada that were already built and patronized by devotees, Sri Krishna Temple and Sri Raghavendra Brindavana were the first of their kind, as they were personally established and managed by a head of traditional religious institution from Udupi. Priests for these temples are trained in the conducting of all rituals, pujas, homas, and well versed in shastras, supported by cooks who prepare delicious prasada for the Lord and for the devotees in the most traditional manner.
Since Swamiji's first visit to the United States in 2000, there has been no looking back. In a brief span of just 18 years, Swamiji has established 7 temples and multiple centers of knowledge across United States, United Kingdom and Canada. Swamiji's fame has spread far and wide, and devotees from other parts of the world were beckoning him to set up religious centers in London, other parts of Europe and Asia.
Swamiji's contribution has led to many international honors. He is first Madhva Pontiff who has visited countries across 5 continents. He was elected the International President of the World Conference of Religions for Peace. He has presided over international conferences in New York, Jordan, South Africa, and Russia. Keynote speaker at the historic World Philosophers Meet, chief guest at World Hindu Conference, felicitated as honorary ambassador by the governor of the state of Oklahoma in United States.
As per the long-term wish and request of the devotees, in one of the fastest growing cities of America, 45th Chaturmasya Vrata was successfully observed in 2018 in Dallas, Texas. Various events and programs were organized and successfully conducted by Puttige Mata. Festivities included Swagata Samarambha, Guru Vandana, Swagatam Krishna, and culminated in Pratishtapana. Swamiji received a grand welcome as per the temple honors and rituals at DFW Hindu Temple. Samsthana Puja and Tottilu Seva were performed at various devotees' homes throughout the Chaturmasya Diksha. Educative and spiritual, enlightening Bhagavad Gita discourses were given by Sri Swamiji. Chaturmasya concluded with Guru Vandana. Swamiji has personally seen the level of interest and passion of devotees, and to the delight of all devotees, he announced the decision to set up Sri Krishna Vrindavana, a place of worship for Sri Krishna, Sri Hanumanta, and Sri Raghavendra Swami. Swagatam Krishna was celebrated with various cultural events when Krishna arrived in Dallas from Udupi. Krishna blessed all the devotees by going to their homes as a part of his Digvijaya Sanchara. All events were attended in large numbers and celebrated with great religious and spiritual fervor.
Prana Pratisthapana of Udupi Sri Krishna, Mukhya Prana, and Sri Raghavendra Swamiji was done as per the rituals prescribed in Tantrasara Sangraha. Festivities included Veda Parayanam, devotional bhajans, Kolata Nritya Seva, and chantings by Little Madhwas of Dallas. With his divine blessings, a priest house is now open in Dallas from 19th January 2019, and with the divine will and blessings of Lord Krishna, Lord Anjaneya, and Sri Raghavendra Swamiji, it is hoped that Dallas will also have its own matha.
Lakshmiryasya parigraha kamalabho sonoguratman rataha pautraschandra vibhushanas suraguru sheshascha shayyasanaha brahmandam varamandiram suragana yasya prabho sevakaha satrailokya kutumba palana paraha kuryadharir mangalam Brahma Vayugirisha Shesha Garuda Devendra Kamo Guruho Chandrarkau Varunanalau Manuyamo Vittesha Vigneshwaro Nasatyau Nirutir Marudgana Yutah Parjanya Mitradayah Satsrika Surapungava Pratidinam Kurvantu no Mangalam Adityadi Navagraha Shubhakara Meshadayo Rashayo Nakshatrani Sayogakashchatitayastaddevatastadganah Masabdha Rutavastathaiva Divasa Sandhyastataratrayah Sarve Sthavarajangama Pratidinam Kurvantu no Mangalam Tadeva Lagnam Sudinam Tadeva Tarabalam Chandrabalam Tadeva Vidyabalam Daivabalam Tadeva Lakshmi Pate Tengriyugam Smarami.
His Holiness Sri Sugunendra Tirtha Swamiji is a very potent combination of dynamism, erudition, and devotion. He believes in simple living and high thinking. Swamiji has endeared himself to a large cross-section of society throughout the world and has practiced religion beyond regionalism.
व्यासाय प्रतिवेदिका तदतमोन्नासाय चतुर्वादिनां त्रासाय सकलाय सप्तगतविद्वासाय गोसद्विजे.
As a Krura, I have brought Lord Krishna from Udupi to Dallas. And handing over my Krishna and Prana Raghavendra Swamiji to the devotees of Dallas here. And I am very glad to announce our 7th Sri Krishna Vrindavana in the US and 11th Sri Krishna Vrindavana outside of India. Outside US, again 4, totally. This is the 18th Krishna temple I am going to establish. That is why it's very special for me, because 18 is more favorite number for Lord Krishna. That is why during Sankhya Shastra, it is very special Krishna temple in Dallas, because 7 and 11 it is Mahabharata. In Mahabharata, 7 Akshauhini from Pandavas and 11 Akshauhini from Kauravas. So 711 is very famous. This is the 7th and 11th outside India. That is very special